So I had a company gift me this electric spinner scrubber. Now, this scrubber does have 9 heads to it, and I just wanted to show you the packaging so you knew what it looked like when it comes. Now, the electric spin scrubber does come with this bag, which makes it really convenient to put all the different attachments inside of it. Now, this is the actual head of the unit, and it is waterproof. So there is no problem at all submerging this unit. And if you just push on this, it'll allow you to be able to move the head, which makes it very convenient when you're cleaning. So these are all the different heads that it provides. So you got 2 different levels of speeds here. 1, which is pretty heavy duty, and then 2, that is a little slower. So this really does allow you to scrub things without bending over at all. Now if you need it shorter, you can go shorter. No matter what head I decide to use on my cleaning jobs, it really does make my cleaning very effortless.